What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bobby Thrift back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Another Ross Dress for Less. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Hopefully there's some good stuff. If you like what you see, smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, you dig? Go ahead and just dive over here real quick and see if there's anything in particular in the women's section. Okay, we got some Superstars. Translucent kind of outsole. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? They got a few pair of them, 3 of them right here. We'll probably look one up just to see if it's worth anything. Find these Nike cleats. Now, I've seen these before. Didn't really sell them for as much as I thought I could get for them. But these cleats and these Adidas right here are probably the best finds in the women's section. So let's go ahead and look these Superstars up. Okay, so these Superstars, not the best, you know what I mean? 40, 50 bucks. See what they're talking about as far as sales and comps. Nothing has sold for these either, and they were asking $45 for them, so we're gonna leave those. And like I said, I've had these cleats before, and I didn't sell them for too much, so I'm leaving them. But give me some feedback if you had those and sold them for more than $50. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so let's go check out the rest of the store. This location is big. I'm still gonna go to my sections, but maybe we'll have some time to look at a few other things too. Yeah, this is a bigger location, as you can see. And it's early, and not many people here right now, so we got a little time to take our time to look around. You got some cleats down there. Leaving those alone. I feel like these Adidas trainers are in stores now. I feel like I've seen these like in Foot Lockers or something like that. They're asking $49 for them. Let's look these up and see if they're worth anything. I feel like this might actually be a keeper. They're asking $50 for them. We got 114, 114, 89, 89, 112. Let's see what these comps are talking about though. But indeed, these are definitely in some flex stores right now. I believe I've seen it. Definitely believe I've seen these before. Let's go ahead and see what's going on with the comps. 2 results so far. December 17th for 89 bucks. December 14th for $100. What would you guys do with that? Let me look on another platform and see what's up. LA Trainer 3. Common price ask is $140 on that though. And these are here for 50 bucks. Just really depends on what platform you're looking for. What would you guys do in this situation? I think I will be taking these though. So far we did find something that looked kind of positive. Tons of RBX. I'm ungated in the RBX. I need to start finding these with the finding the RBX shoes with the full box, bruh. What are these? Only $20? $23? Pumas, suedes, some Puma action. So after searching everything in the shoe section for the men's and women's, this is all I came across so far. We do got the kids section over there, so we're gonna go check that out too as far as the shoes and see if there's anything over there popping, you dig? Definitely have to start scanning this stuff too, man. Especially that. I'm gonna be right back for that in 1 second. Over here in the kids section, I see these Adidas slides, which look pretty interesting. McDonald's All-American slides for the kids? 24 bucks. McDonald's All-American. That's what this logo is. That's fire. That's 2 shoes right there we're gonna hold on to. What Adidas are these? Almost look like foam runners. We're gonna go ahead and look these up too. They have a couple pair of them, but let's go take this back and check this out. Never seen it before. Got the light strike on it. I like the color combination. Let's go ahead and look these up and see what they're talking about. Right? So far it's not bad, but it's an Adidas day. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we got a for sure shot, which means it's for sure will sell sooner than later. It is the summertime. Look at what these listings are talking about, bro. McDonald's All-American size. Eric Emanuel, limited edition. They want 25 for them. I can at least get 70 for them, 60 for them. These right here is what I'm talking about. Clean on the outsole too. Let's go see what the comps is talking about. That's crazy. Then you see somebody sold it for $9 off a bid, $24, $20. Wow. And then nothing else sold. Damn, why so low? That's crazy. They put it up there for bids as opposed to selling them. What happened there? Okay, we got some more Chinese New Year's. Adidas Nightball CNY 2021. You guys see what they have them listed for. 149, 140s, 200. Wow, from Japan. Wow. Let's put the filter and see maybe what they sold for. 100 and 100 at least, and they're asking $40 on these. That's not a bad thing either. So far so good. These are 2 for sure. This looks like an iffy, but I think all 3 of them, I'm gonna take them, bro. These are definitely dope, and they have more of them. Let me go get them. 3 of them and some slides and some other Adidas, but it's been an all Adidas day. We still got apparel to go through and check out. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys have sold these things for more or less, let me know what your experience is with these items. I got these Adidas gym balls, which is getting around a time when people are gonna start trying to work out again. $15, $15.99. So let me go ahead and check this out. When I scan it, it does come up. The ranking is 283K. You know, Amazon is selling it for $21 right now. This might not be the best buy to get right now. No other FBA offers. Amazon's the only one on it. No telling how many listings they have. I need to upgrade my keeper so I can see that. But so that we're gonna leave those for now. Now, we did get these a lot last year and the year before that and did pretty well for us. Let's go ahead and scan them right now. They want $7.99 for them. Wow, yeah, just because it's not in season. They used to be much higher ranked than that. $10.85 is what they're going for right now. But you do have some people up there who have a little bit higher listings. There's a lot of potential with these cones. I feel like getting them now might be good, and then holding them for a couple days, like a couple weeks actually, and see what's up with it. Because these actually, I did make some money off them. Let's go ahead and see real quick. This is my history with them. I was selling them for $19.99 and made $2.85 for it. Now, being as how I am with a lot of things now, you know, being that I kind of changed my philosophy on a lot of things that I buy as far as the price margin, you know, getting that dollar for dollar has kind of gotten in my brain a lot more. So spending $14 to make $2, I don't know if I like that so much. Let me know what you guys think, and if that's something that's suitable for you. I mean, everybody's different. Give me your thoughts and opinions on that. Let me go ahead and look into some of this stuff here too, because some of it does have profit, especially things like this that's on clearance. Let me check this out. So this does come up. They have it on clearance for $3.99. The ranking is really good and some reviews. 4 stars. $9.89 is the lowest. $11.99 is the highest. Let's go ahead and see what that's talking about. Probably not too much bone on there. Yeah. We're gonna leave that alone. That math was probably wrong anyway. Some of these items are pretty good. It's just considering that they're liquids and stuff. That's kind of why I stay from it. If they're boxed up, then I would go ahead and go after it. Let me go ahead and see this though, because I did hear about this oil. Maybe that might be something I can go ahead and mess with. They also have these right here. The beard butter, $3.99. Ranking is really good on this. Not a lot to make, maybe like $2. But I mean, it is $2, but I like the ranking on this, so I'm gonna save this one because I might find more later. But these didn't even come up. To go back and get a cart. I don't know why I didn't grab it when I first got in here. Okay, let's go ahead and get these into the cart. I like them slides, boy. I like the colorway of them. And then at McDonald's All-American, which, you know, shout out to the McDonald's All-American game and the real hoopers out there. These two. So far, so good. Perfect. So now we're gonna start here. Been seeing these at the Nike outlets all day. $30, $14 here. Maybe that's something we should scan. Under Armour, Athletic Club. Oh, I like this Red Bulls jersey. Red, black, and okay. If it got the If it has it, let's go ahead and see. Adidas tee, 14 for 35. Another jersey. What's that? Okay, that's nothing. Soccer jersey again, 130 for 24. Okay, so are they really trying to turn it up? I mean, are we really about to get back to where we used to be? Black Fires, don't flinch. That's crazy. USA, seen as the outlets also. $30 for $14. So our cart's all the way down there, but we're just gonna make sure stuff that we're taking is stuff that we're gonna take. So I'm gonna scan them here early and see if there's any value in it or not. And then if it's not, we're gonna leave it back on the rack. If it is, we're gonna scoop. Okay, somebody tried to jack my stuff, so let me just put this all on the cart so nobody else gets confused. I had my car all the way down there and some lady was going through my shit, so let me go ahead and just put this all here and just bring it with me. I thought I could leave it at one end, but I guess not. So let me go ahead and continue to look here. I understand. Oh, the Champion, okay. This is actually good profit last time. Are they $14 here too? $14.99 it is. Red Bull jersey, if it's good, then I'll come back and get that one too. Was about to scan it, but the lady was trying to scoop it for me too. Once again, another tee that was found at the Nike outlets all day. USA. Okay, the football jerseys, man, I've had these before at one point and got stuck with some of them. Then I was able to sell some of them. There's no tag on, no Adidas original tag, so I'm gonna leave that there. What else we got? What else we got? Champion. Nike tee, I like this color. What's this blue thing right here? Kansas, Adidas Kansas, 75 bucks. They're asking $21. Just hold that and take that out too in a second. Does this have a tag? Does this have an Adidas tag on it? No Adidas tag, so we can't look it up. I need the original tag on there too. Usually baseball things don't come up for me. Another one of the soccer jerseys. Two of the soccer jerseys. So we are actually looking pretty good. We gotta double check, make sure these things are all good to go. But the cart is getting full, bro. We finish off with this Brahma Bull. Is this the rock stuff? It is. It has the Brahma Bull thing. $35 for $14. I'm gonna get it in Under Armour, so let's see what's up with those two. That jersey again, Golden State Warrior stuff. Okay, so this is wrapping it up. Do they have the original tag on it? Yes or no? This could be something, but it don't. Wait a minute. So I just found this one also. Very dope. We're gonna go ahead and look through this cart and see what stuff is for sure shots. But we got a lot of options, man. I'm pretty sure we're gonna leave out of here with a good amount of stuff for some good profit. You feel me? So this jersey does pop up. No ranking, but it does have reviews and some ratings. 45 and 45 for both of them. So $14.99 for 45. Let me go ahead and see. So it'll say 16 bucks, just to round up. Still make $16 off of it. That looks like something we're gonna scoop up. Definitely gonna take that one. It does have the Adidas tag on it. Now we got this Brahma Bull, the rock tee. You guys know about the rock stuff. If you don't, you need to find out. Got the patch on the bottom. Let's go ahead and scan this barcode. Okay, so unfortunately, we like the tees. They're dope. Shout out to the rock. Maybe could make moves for this on eBay. However, with my clothing, I'm trying to go on Amazon only. I got enough clothing still for eBay. So I'm leaving this. $14.99 for $35 tag. I'm leaving that. So let's go ahead and check out the next item, which will be this Under Armour tee, which I found one of these in another colorway. I believe I scooped it. $14.99. Let's go ahead and see for 50 bucks. Does not come up when we scan it, so I'm leaving that one also. Next, we got this Under Armour tee, $16.99 for $45. Like a soccer tee, it might be. I don't know. Women's, it's in this men's section, which is crazy. Ranking is super high. 2 million. Amazon selling it anyway for 32 bucks. Yeah, that's pretty cool, but not cool enough, so I'm going to leave that one behind also. Now this champion hoodie, we saw this last time in my last video. If you have not seen that, check that out. I think the profit is like $10 or $12 on that, so we're keeping that one for sure. Now we're going to slide on over here to this Kansas Jayhawk like sweater. Shout out to the Kansas Jayhawks. I don't know what their hooping is like this year. $21 on the retail. Did they have a retail tag? I thought I saw one. That's why I scooped it. Cause, oh yeah, it's right behind the back. $75 is the tag. So let's go ahead and see if it's worth it, man. Let's scan this and see. If you guys have sold this before on eBay or Amazon, of course, let me know in the comments below. Hopefully it comes up when I scan the barcode. Drum roll. Does not come up. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. We're leaving it. Next item we're gonna go to is this jersey, which I think is promising. I think I did scoop one of these before, if I'm not mistaken, a little while ago, and sent it in. $25 for 130. Cannot go wrong with that at all. If you guys know about this team, let me know. How good are they? Yeah, see, no sales ranking, but look at what they're asking for the jersey, $119. Dumbass. So this is actually a pretty good situation right here. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. The number's high, however, there's no ranking on it and no reviews. So that's what makes it kind of iffy for me. If you guys have sold these before, you know, give me that feedback in the comments below. So we have 2 of these jerseys. So as of now, we're gonna keep those. We'll put that on the keep side. Keep, get rid of. Next, we're gonna get to that jersey that we were trying to look at before. Somebody was trying to steal my cart, man. Lady was trying to steal my cart, bro. $24.99 for 130. I think you guys can see that. $24.99 for 130. Let's go ahead and scan it and see. Now it does come up. Once again, just like this other jersey right next to it. Come on, man. So this right here, no ranking, no reviews, but it's going up there for $70. How good is this team? Let me know what you guys think. I feel like I want to take a chance on at least one, because I think I got one before, but just a different color, just a different style. So we're gonna go ahead and try our luck with these 2 jerseys and see what it is. So I got 2 of those jerseys. Then we got another white one, another one. Damn, do I really want to try 3 of them? $24, that's 60 something bucks. Damn, there's 70 bucks on 3 jerseys. They do not have a ranking, and I want to be smarter about it, but we are getting into the times. We are getting into those times when people starting to buy jerseys again. It's February, spring's around the corner. You know, I don't know when the season's in season. You guys can let me know that too. I like the little detail. I didn't know they had the little thing down there. So I'll probably just take 1 or 2. You know what I'm saying? I want to be smart about this. This is pretty cool though. And then this USA thing, I was going to scan this, but I feel like this is not even going to come up because the other one didn't. $30 for 14. That's not even really enough meat on the bones anyway. But let's go ahead and see. I wanted to know if these will show up, because I saw them so much at the outlets. I'm like, damn, I would have scooped them before. No, they don't. 2 of these jerseys, all FBA Amazon, these hoodies for FBA, as well as this soccer jersey. Let me know what you guys think overall about, you know, the items that I'm scooping. So after watching this video in its entirety, hopefully you guys are still here. Give me your feedback. Let me know what you guys think about the things I came across, any items I should have kept or any items I should have put back. Of course, let me know in the comments below. I do read all the comments and respond to all the comments too. Big shout out to your energy. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe.